easiest way to do this problem is to do it into 2 steps. The first being to find the value of f at -1. Then, once we find f at -1, plug that value into the function. So then we would find f at f of -1. Okay. So let's first find f at -1. All we need to do is put a -1 wherever we see an x. So it'll be -1 plus 1 squared minus -1. Well, -1 plus 1 is 0. 0 squared is still 0. Put a negative is plus 1. So when you subtract -1, it's the same as plus 1. So f at -1 is 1. So what we're going to do is now plug 1 into the function, because f of f at -1 is the same thing as f at 1. Instead of writing the f at -1, we're writing what it evaluated to, 1. So all I need to do is put a 1 wherever I see an x, so I just do 1 plus 1 squared minus 1. So 2 squared minus 1, or 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. So we're asked to find for what value of x does this function equal 3. So what we're going to do is take the function f of x equals x minus 1 squared, and we want to find when it equals 3. So the way we're going to do that is, instead of writing f of x, we're going to write 3. So we want to do, when does 3 equal x minus 1 squared? Okay. So the way I'm going to solve this one is using the square root property. Now you could expand this all out and use the quadratic formula. The easiest way, however, is to use the square root property. Whenever you have something squared equals a number, then the next thing you can write is that the square root, plus or minus the square root of that number is equal to this without the square, so x minus 1. Alright, now all I need to do is add 1 to both sides. So this will give me 1 plus or minus the square root of 3 is equal to x.